Hey there. You can make money online as an affiliate marketer in 2025. In this short video, I want to share with you about affiliate marketing in 2025 and some very simple things about it and ways to think about it and ways to look at it. And basically, why affiliate marketing? Well, if you're on this channel, you probably already understand about affiliate marketing, that you can promote different products and things online and get paid for promoting those things when people purchase them, even though you don't necessarily own them yourself and stuff. And I want to share with you about two products that are really good products that you can promote, and you can actually even get a copy of them for free for yourself. And they even have training and stuff to help you become a better affiliate marketer yourself too. So let's get going on this. To begin with, I want to share with you basically a big perspective, right? How to make money online as an affiliate marketer in 2025. There is a simple, direct approach, and then there is a longer approach. So I want to say that one is kind of like the short game, and the other one is like the long game. And in the short game, it's very simple. Promote some products, find some products that you can trust and believe in. Well, because that's always what I'm going to encourage you to do on this channel. And go ahead and promote them, share them with people, do reviews on the products. I'm going to be sharing with you about two different products in this video, and I'm going to make separate review videos for each of those products in the near future. So be on the lookout for them. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and that way you'll get a notification when I create those videos. You can promote things and then get paid. Now, with affiliate marketing, you get paid normally, it's like 30 days or 60 days or 90 days. Normally, it's after any kind of trial period's over. So someone buys a product because you promoted it to them, and then you get some kind of money because you had done the promoting. Okay, that's the short game. In the long game, you want to collect email addresses and stuff. You want to go ahead and build an email list. You've probably heard that the money's in the list kind of a thing. And basically, you create a list, and down the road, you send out an email to tell people, hey, here's a product that I've seen recently that you might be interested in. And you promote things through the email list. Or maybe you're just encouraging people and trying to build them up and stuff. Short game, long game. Either way, you need to find products that you can trust so that then you can promote them. So let's go ahead and get right into that. There are two products that I want to share with you about. One is called Lead Creator. The other one is actually called System.io. So first off, Lead Creator. What's the big deal about Lead Creator? I'm going to have a link in the description below. If you want to find out more about it, click on that link. Okay. You can get your own free copy of Lead Creator so you can see what it's like and everything. But what's a lead magnet? What do you use those for? Lead Creator helps you create lead magnets. Now, anything can be a lead magnet. Basically, the idea is that you create something that is helpful and useful for somebody right now. So if I created a checklist on how you can create the best lead magnets possible in 7 easy steps, and you could download it by clicking on a link, you might want that. And I'm going to probably create that video soon, but that's not this video. Anyway, you can use Lead Creator to create that super fast, super easy. There's so much that it can do, and it does it really well. And it even has AI built into it. And so you don't have to have an account with ChatGTP or any of these other stuff. You could have Lead Creator. You jump in and say, I need 10 easy steps to create lead magnets, or I need 5 easy steps to be a great affiliate marketer in 2025. And it'll generate this for you. So once you create your lead magnets, you can share that with people, and they can build their email lists and stuff like that from using the lead magnet. So basically, someone creates something useful for other people. The people say, I want that. They click on the link. They get the lead magnet in exchange for their email address. And so you can build a list. Super powerful. I had a podcast, and I would do teaching and training and stuff, and I would create PDF files that I would have to go and I'd have to download the PDF file, save it, upload it onto a WordPress site, put it somewhere, create a blog, then get a link for the PDF file. It was a whole lot of steps. Well, with Lead Creator, I just create a lead magnet right there, the link's right there, and I'm done. Super powerful, good product. Go check it out, see for yourself. This other product is called System.io, and I really, really like this product. Here again, you can get your own copy of it for free. Well, what are you getting? You're actually getting a website, but not just a website that includes a blog post site with pages and sales funnels and sales pages. You can create sales pages, a digital store. Actually, you can even have an online course and membership to the course and everything. You can set all of that up with System.io, even the free account. And then you can also have an autoresponder. It has automations and everything. It can collect email addresses and everything. I had WordPress sites, and then I would have to pay for autoresponder like GetResponse or Aweber. And all of these things added up a lot fast. But System.io has all this stuff built into it. And so I want to encourage you, go check out System.io. Number one, you can get your own free site and everything. Number two, it's a good product that you can promote. The other thing that's super important about Lead Creator and System.io, so they're both good products, but then on top of that, they both have training to help you to become a better affiliate marketer. So this is a win-win-win-win for you if you want to grow as an affiliate marketer. System.io, Lead Creator, I have links below that you can find out more about each of them. They are products that I believe in and that I use. I'm going to create some videos in the near future reviewing Lead Creator, well, where I'm going to go into it myself, but you can go check it out without me. They have a great presentation to explain everything in great detail. Go check it out. Same thing for System.io. You can just go on the link and look into it more in depth yourself. If you have any questions about any of it, please ask me and I'll respond to you myself. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, and in the near future, you'll get the upcoming videos that I have that I'm going to be creating that talk about Lead Creator and System.io and affiliate marketing online and growing your business online and how they can even work together and stuff in some powerful ways.